I was at this.
This is rolling down towards Fisherman's Wharf at Monterey and Pacific Grove. Kind of reminds you of the terrain at San Francisco a little bit, then going down the hill.
Yeah, I was talking about that word there. Jerking around with that one.
Huh?
Jerking around with that one. Pacific Street, what about that? She'll do.
I don't have a road. I can look in the book and see about stuff when you see it when it's really hard for me.
I think this is the corner here. It's kind of real pretty. And this is what we're going to be driving on. Tremendous amount of the way, little things like this. Just end on end and stuff like this. It's nice.
Tape.
Bang.
I don't know, it's really snowing.
Well, one thing I'm kind of glad because I was getting concerned that that thing would just flip over and start recording on the other side because it's been so long. Maybe we did when the...
Wait a second.
I'm going to go right around again for days. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
You can't wait to use tail wet.
Oh, what is he doing on that rock?
Cold water.
Huh? Well, they like cold water, don't they?
It's so beautiful.
We're looking at him. I love the focus on this thing. The zoom on it, I mean. Thank you, bud. Good job.
I love the way the water comes in across these rocks and stuff.
It's definitely the prettiest beach as far as the beach goes. It's the prettiest waterfront. It's really not a beach, so you see it.
Not necessarily, but you go swimming. The water just moving around those rocks and stuff.
It's different from Myrtle Beach.
Oh man. Totally different. And then one thing, the water is nice and clear too. It's reasonable.
There's on the side. Stay on there, man.
Really, that's good.
Part of the charm.
That's not how I read it. Hey, get out of here. What are you doing there?
Well, today is Saturday. We've been wandering around on Fort Ord here for several hours.
Oh man, we didn't leave the hotel till 9:30.
Looking for Justin's previous place of residence here. And we haven't been able to find it, but it's been right interesting to look around. Fun and games. Weird Christmas trees. I think they need to be pruning or something.
What it looks like we're out there. Once we were over there.
On our way out.
Hot tub and soft drinks. We go to the rent car. Famous person in there. What you shouldn't be doing?
What?
Drinking and driving. The Pebble Beach Resort and 17-mile scenic tour. Here we are down beside the water. One thing we just went to through the Presidio military thing, and we were just amazed at how much money was spent on one thing. We were here yesterday, weren't we? Sure seems like we were. Sure, it's pretty. Smells like the wanted to turn the heat on and roll the window down. That's where we have come from. I'm sure we're wanting to go snorkeling out here, but it's a little bit too cold. I'm supposed to get into some warmer areas to go down south maybe, but chances are down cold. Here we are at the restful sea. We fly by. People everywhere.